Hello guys, today my grandpa dropped off the Color Changer 3-pack to my house. And I have a little bit of water with me, so I'm gonna be unboxing and reviewing them. Darn it. Sorry about that, guys. Ugh. All right. Almost got it. There's no trash can in here. I'll pick it up later. Wow. 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 Alright, first I'm going to show you Thomas. That is super cool. I'm just going to get a little bit more water in this. Hold on, I just want to move these so none of them get wet. Hold on, I'm gonna get the water hot then. I don't have hot water here. I'll be right back. Stay there. Alright guys, so I gotta let it run for a minute. Alright, I just gotta let it run for a minute, guys. So I do have hot water, it's just gonna take a minute. Alright, I can feel that the water's getting a little bit hotter. I'll start filling it up now. And hopefully... Oh yeah, I can feel it getting hot. Yep, it's getting hot. If you're getting your hands wet, always pull up your sleeves. Hold on, I'll get it a little bit more hotter. Ooh, I can see this. I can see the color starting to change. Oh, wow. There it is, guys. Here's the color changing Thomas. I'll put him on that towel to dry. I'll use this hand. Alright, so here's Percy in his cold form. Now hold on, I'm gonna let some of the water loose. Oh man, I can feel it hot. Now it's light green instead of dark green, and the face has changed too. Alright, last but not least, color changing Kana. Well, there are the color changers. I'll change them back to the cold. Yep, that's cold. Just gotta wait for it to fill up. Alright, that's good. Should be changing back. Yep. The color changing Thomas is back. Don't see the color changing Percy. There it is. Now to the color changing Kana. These are really cool toys. Alright guys, so I think I'll be seeing you in the next video. But first, bye-bye. I'm gonna play with these color changers now, so bye.